Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Aaheli Bhattacharya, currently pursuing B.Sc in statistics and data science. In the last video we talked about line diagrams and now we are moving to something that is literally bars of statistics. No, not the chocolate bars you're wishing for right now. I am talking about bar diagrams. Alright, so let's dive in. A bar diagram, also known as bar chart, it's also known as bar chart, is one of the most commonly used graphical tools in statistics for representing categorical data. So what it is used for? Representing categorical data. Okay, and it's the most commonly used graphical tool. It basically uses rectangular bars to show frequencies. Okay, frequencies, counts, or any other measure across different categories. And here's the fun part, the height or length of each bar is proportional to the value it represents. It's important too. Height or length of each bar is proportional to the value it represents. So, if one bar is taller than the other, you know instantly which category has more weight. It's like comparing ice cream sales in summer versus winter. The bar will spill the tea immediately. Alright, now coming to the features. Let's list out the key features and don't worry, I'll keep it simple. Let's see the features. First, bars are drawn with equal width. Okay. Second, they are placed at equal distances from each other. Equal distances from each other. Third, there are always clear gaps between bars. This highlights that categories are distinct and non-overlapping. So we can see clear gaps between bars, which I said highlights categories that are distinct and non-overlapping. Distinct and non-overlapping. Bars can be vertical or horizontal. So statistics gives you full flexibility, just like choosing between coffee or tea. So I said bars can be vertical or horizontal. And the last is, it's super easy to interpret and compare data visually, which is why it's everybody's favorite beginner tool in data visualization. Okay? Super easy to interpret and compare data visualization. Compare data visually. Super easy to interpret and compare data visually. Okay? Now comes the bar diagrams, the types of bar diagrams. So we can understand that bar diagrams are not just one type, they come in different flavors. First, okay, I'll write it nicely. This is simple bar diagram. It is the most basic, showing one set of data. Only one set of data is shown. Okay. Coming to the next, which is grouped or multiple bar diagram. Grouped or multiple bar diagram. When it is used, it's used when you want to compare multiple data sets side by side. You see, two multiple data sets side by side. Now comes number three, which is stacked bar diagram. Now what is this? Here the bars are stacked on top of each other, showing total as well as parts, right? This is the total and this is the parts. These are the parts. So, stacked on top of each other. Next is percentage bar diagram. Here each bar represents percents, right? So each bar represents 100% but is divided into components percentage wise. Okay. Now coming to horizontal. This is horizontal bar diagram. Same concept, just horizontal bars instead of vertical. Same concept. So, that's the gist of bar diagrams. Simple, powerful, and extremely popular in statistics. Just remember, bars don't touch each other. This is something very important. Bars don't touch each other. Okay? And they're perfectly used for comparing qualitative, no, qualitative or discrete quantitative data. In the next video, we will step into the world of frequency distributions, but trust me, it's going to be super interesting because that's where we start structuring our data properly. All right? So yeah, thank you so much for watching. So already you know that I'm Aaheli Bhattacharya, your friendly neighborhood statistics student, trying to make stats less boring and more fun. If you enjoyed this lecture, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. After all, even YouTube works better with little frequency distribution of likes, right? So yeah, see you in the next one. Till then, keep your bars high and your data clean. Bye.